my video, punk bitch. Look, check this out. Got a Grand Am in the garage, right? Now I'm in Wiley, Texas, at my homeboy shop. He called me like, hey Chris, man, this cat, he wanna get on the track with you, dog. He wanna rap with you. I'm like, man, ain't no damn rapper fool. Anyway, look at Samson and shit. Google it, nuthuggers.com. Hey, check this out. Cut. Look, on the for real. Alright, there's a Grand Am in the garage, right? Take two, alright? Look, he wanted something on his car because he was having a problem with the ignition. It wouldn't start. There's a lot of problems with the GM ignitions from 98 to 06. Okay, before they changed the whatever. Shit, look, get the car. Get in the car.
Start it over, bro. I'm cut.
Alright, look.
I'm having it. Please.
These. Alright, look, man. Look, I ain't got time to do that. I gotta get to the photo. Alright, look, check this out. Now he got the push button started here. Alright. Now he wanted his to be a little different. Alright. He like, man, look here, dog. Look here, man. I wanna. Now this is what he asked for. He said, man, I wanna do this. He didn't want it with the brake. Okay, he didn't want that. He wanna like that. I don't know, hey. I guess he just wanted button. Alright. So that button won't make it keep starting, alright? Hit that button, turn it off. Alright. When I go to hit this here, it's gonna keep from starting. Like, man, his car coming on. No. Keep it from starting. Alright. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna hit that like on the remote. I'm a two-piece that be. Let's call it a two-piece. 1, 2. Alright. I'm gonna hit that button, turn it off. He got double in here. Now we didn't do this. We're not gonna take credit for it. Alright. Back in 1992, I took credit for a drug deal that went bad. So in the 9 tray, we're gonna change it up. Alright, so I'm gonna hit that button and turn it off. Alright. That concludes this video. If you have any further questions, you can get to my manager, Sweet and Low. If you want to get on my production team, you want to be one of the rappers in my video, you can do so by hitting me up at 214 I Got Flow. You know I got flow. Man, check this out. All the press you're on LTD, I don't got to roll. He finna roll something. And that be that. We out.